Hello! This is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about the different Office 365 applications and how you can integrate them with your daily workflow. In this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks for setting up Outlook on your phone. We always recommend using the appropriate email application for your email account, so in this video, we will show you how to install and set up your Outlook email on the Outlook application. To set up your Outlook account, the first thing that needs to be done is installing the app. Go to your phone's App Store and start typing in Outlook. You will see the Microsoft Outlook application, and you will need to start downloading it. Once the download is complete, open the Outlook app and you will be welcomed with the login page. Here, type in your work email address and tap the Add Account button. You will be redirected to another page that will ask you for your password. Type out your password and then tap Sign In. Your inbox will automatically open and start syncing. If this is your first time logging into your email on your phone, it may take some time for your emails to fully sync, so let your phone sit for a while so your inbox can update. Outlook also allows for multiple emails to be signed into the same app. If you manage more than one email address, this can be very convenient for you for managing all your messages. Click on the icon next to the inbox header, and this will open your mailbox settings. You can access your sent items, drafts, inboxes, archives, and from here, you can also add email addresses. Tap on the Add Email icon, and it will ask you what kind of email you would like to add. You can either add an email account, add a shared mailbox, or create a new email account. If you manage another email address or you would like to add a personal email account, tap the Add Email Account option. This will bring you through the same steps as before to get you signed in to your next email account. Follow the prompts until you see your inbox. You can switch from one inbox to another by tapping the icon next to the header and tapping on the desired email account. You can also send emails once you're signed in. In the top right corner, tap on the new message icon. You will be asked to type out the recipients, the carbon copy recipients, and also create a subject for your email. You have 4 different options when writing out an email on your phone. You can send a calendar invite by tapping the calendar icon. You can attach a file that is saved to your phone by tapping the paperclip icon. You can take a photo and attach it as an image to your email by tapping the camera icon. And you can customize your text by tapping the editor icon. Thank you for taking the time to learn how you can set up your Outlook account on your phone. If you have any questions or you are running through these steps and it is not working for you, feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to help.